It's the final countdown. The final last Fresh Cash Friday from Hawaii. Oh, buddy. Oh, man. Oh, man. Get ready, boys. Oh, another night, another London market heading higher here up there to the 20,500 area. This is a lot of resistance was there at that level yesterday. So we know there's resistance there. Will we get that pullback that we've had literally every single day this week? We have pulled back at open, except for Monday. Monday was the only day, well, we did pop up and then sold off, but every other day at open we have dumped. So we'll find out what happens here today on Fresh Cash Friday, live from Hawaii. Yeah. That's right. All right. All right. That's right. All right. Right now, like I said, on the 15-minute chart, we got a pivot point up there, 20,549. A pivot point to the downside, 20,412 area. We got the VWAP. We got that little blue line, the 21 EMA here on the 15-minute chart. Obviously, it's at a different spot for the 2-minute chart. But if we pull up the 2-minute chart here, going into open, kind of what we're looking at here, that 21 EMA right there, the 90s, and then that VWAP down there, 428s, and then obviously pivot point all the way down there at the 412, 420 area. So let's get ready, baby. Let's get ready to rumble. Also, if you're in South Florida, West Palm, maybe not. There's a car show. I'm gonna take my cars to a show. I think it was it's the next weekend. It's the 27th. October 27th, there's a car show in, it's either Boca or West Palm. So if you're in South Florida, maybe stop by, say what's up. I'll have the Lambo out there and maybe the McLaren as well. So we're putting a new wrap. Got a new wrap coming up for the Lambo, new wrap. And then we've got the twin turbo. Sorry, twin turbos out there. How was skydiving? We didn't go skydiving. It got canceled because of bad weather, and I took that as an omen. And I said, well, somebody, sent a message, said don't go. That old Lambo wrap didn't last very long. It's actually been pretty long. What was that, like a while ago? We just got new wheels, twin turbo, a new carbon kit. We lowered it, so it was like all this new stuff happened. I felt like I needed to put a new wrap on it, after all that, just to spice it up. The car show is called Exotic Car Shows. I'm gonna try to get some only prop firms apparel. Try to get some only prop firms apparel as well. Look at that drop going into open here already. Pulling it back, baby. Look at this thing. 20,480s already. Look at this. So I was literally just on their website. Yeah, so exotic auto shows. It's gonna be at the National Croquet Center in West Palm, I believe, is what it looks like. Croquet. Oh my. NASDAQ decided to dump before the market even opened. Come on. We got why? Couldn't wait 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes. Sunday, October 27th. Yeah, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. We got Fed member Bostic speaking at 9:30. What the? Why is he? Why? Why do they do this shit? Let me speak at 9:30, right when the market opens. You know, classic. Let me just speak right when the market opens. So genius. We got 4 minutes till market opens now, and we just dumped straight down there, 40 points. $40 points. Alchemist signed up for Spotify just so he can listen to the Vertigo Man. If you haven't checked out Vertigo Man on Spotify, it's only the latest and the greatest and the hottest song in the world right now. So check it out. What just happened? Looks like somebody farted and the NASDAQ went down. So now it's so. Now it's right back up here again. 20,500s. It's fun. That's fun. Isn't that fun? Rips short of the bottom. Congratulations, Rips. Rips is short from the 465s. Oh, Lord, that's funny. How did he do that? How did he fucking do that? Trading a combine, though. Don't worry. It's all good. The best trader on YouTube is trading a combine. Micros. Here we go. Market about to open. Let's get ready. Be patient. Wait for that opportunity. Let's see. Through the lows, down there to the VWAP. Right there at the VWAP for now. Rip's making money right now. Oh, is he? Oh, Lord. He traded micros in a combine. He's making so much money. All right, NASDAQ sold off down here to the VWAP, back up to the 450s. You got the VWAP there, and then that pivot point at the 413s next. So obviously the gap fill. We closed yesterday at the 20,360s down there. So last day in Hawaii. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's do it big. VWAP right now holding up down there. We get through this 30 area, then there's that pivot point, and then the gap fill all the way down there to the 367. So still holding up there, the VWAP for now. Market just opened. We got the Fed speaking here. Fed speaking. ES is now below the VWAP. ES right now is straight down. Nasdaq's back up here. Just kind of watching to see if the Nasdaq's going to find a resistance here and start to sell down again. ES looking weak. Nasdaq looking weak here. Trying to take out that low next. Down to the VWAP once again. Got to get through that VWAP here on the Nasdaq. Just holding on for dear life here. Should take this out. ES is going straight down. Nasdaq's just kind of chopping around here at the VWAP for now. ES filled the gap. The ES has filled the gap, the overnight gap now. So what will the Nasdaq do here? We got to get below that VWAP here. NASDAQ just sitting at the VWAP for now. Will she sell straight through the VWAP here? The ES is all the way down there to fill the gap. NASDAQ's right here at the VWAP for now, holding up. Still just holding on there for now. Need to get through the VWAP here, sell down there to the 400s next. Just holding on for now. Looks like it might try to pop back up here. Just getting real tight. Oh, Lord. NASDAQ back up there off the VWAP again. Denied right there at the 21 EMA. Look at that. 21 EMA denied. Oh, God. All right, if we lose this 40 area, let's see if we get this move down. We're just flagging right here to lose this 40s. Still holding up there at the 40s. Back up 21 EMA again. Holding up here at the VWAP for now. The ES, NASDAQ both pushing back up here. Right back up there to the 20,500s again. Got to get over this overnight high from earlier. We dumped at that 508s, and then there's that pivot point up there at the 549s. Just pushed all the way back up to the top of that range for now. ES is pushing back up off of that gap fill off the VWAP now. So the NASDAQ trying to push. But still just stuck right there. Kind of a little bit of a double top. We got to get through this 500 level and then probably get 30, 40 points to the upside. So let's see what happens at that 500 level. We're watching that 500 level very closely here. See if we get this push straight through 500s here. Needs to go, go, go. Go, NASDAQ, go through the 500s here. Just there she goes. There she goes. Come on, NASDAQ. Push it up through there. Give me that 30 points we're talking about here, NASDAQ. Just stuck there at the 500s. $510 to get through there next, and then I think see what happens there. But the ES holding us down right now. As that kind of pulling back here into the 90s again. Right there, that 21 EMA. Good Lord. The 15-minute range. We did break out of the 15-minute range for now, that high, but just can't keep it going. I was looking at this 530 area as kind of a push. Right back to the middle of the 15-minute range now. So we're still just very much obviously inside the 15-minute range here. This is kind of see if we can try to find some support here. The ES right now is at a pivot point and above the VWAP here. See if this NASDAQ's gonna like set up for a little bull flag here, but right back down. You're French and it's difficult to understand my English. Uh-oh. Sounds like a personal problem. And NASDAQ back down here again. Back to the VWAP one more time. Oui, oui, mademoiselle. Do you want a croquette? A croissant? A croissant. I want a croissant. Oui, oui, croissant, please. All right, NASDAQ back down here. If we sell through this 15-minute opening range, well, you know what happens there. Croissant. A croissant. I want a croissant. A croissant. 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 Y'all have a croissant? I want a croissant. Croissant. Angel. VIP room. Put him in there. I like when people tell me to shut up because it's just like an instant VIP room. How long has it been since you've had Chipotle? I have not had Chipotle since Florida. They don't have Chipotle in Hawaii, so. Yeah. No Chipotle. Best thing about Hawaii? I don't know. It's just paradise, man. It's paradise. NASDAQ looking real weak here. I feel like this is going to just take a big old dump to the downside, but this chop has been poo-poo. Poo-poo chop. Poo-poo chop. Poo-poo choppa. And we push back up there to the 21 EMA. What was that? Look at these candles right now. You get like this wick, this candle, and then like another big fucking green candle. So it's like literally wick, 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 and then this boner candle, and then wick, 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 boner candle on the downside. Wick, big wick here, pushes right back up the top of that wick. That's not good. Going to the 5-minute chart here, see if we can look a little cleaner, but VWAP right now is acting as support. Position update. Position update. No position. Phil 007. Position, everybody. Position update. No position. Everybody, just let you know. Position update. Well, Christmas music in the background. I'm looking forward to getting back to Florida, getting my trading setup going again, getting my like legitimate trading setup again with all my monitors and Lambos behind me, you know. Can I get these setups for free? Yeah, man, no problem. This microphone's getting thrown away. Don't worry. I got the good microphone at home, the SMB. No worries, all good. Dude, come on. No, I'm keeping the Mac Mini. I'm giving away the monitors. I'm giving away the monitors to a mother. She hit me up on Instagram. Got a couple kids. Said she's into trading. Could you really use the monitors? So I said, all right. I got you. The funny thing is, I didn't even buy this microphone from Hawaii. I didn't even buy it from Walmart. I bought it online. It's supposed to be a really good microphone. Tori Trades uses it. Tori Trades uses this microphone, you know. She's a top trader. Well, this is fun. This is very fun. I woke up for this. I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning to do this. Have a trade off with Dakota. Okay, deal. Trade off. I'll trade. You trade. We trade. Everybody trade. Trade off. Patrick, Tori Trades says that she is a very profitable trader. Maybe in her fantasy world, in her Barbie world, but not in the real world. I have no position open right now. Everybody in the chat freaking out. Relax. Their market is going absolutely nowhere. Jason, you're the man. Spread the word. Why you say that no one is profitable trader in the U2 space? I didn't say that no one is. I said that Tori Trades is not. I mean, maybe she made, okay, hey, maybe she made $100,000 trading this year. But guess what? She's making about 10 times that selling a $2,000 course. So let's all be honest. Sales DFY. You don't have a chapter on watching the Dow and the ES. I mean, you watch the Dow and the ES the same way you watch the NASDAQ. You don't have to. You don't. It's not required. But I just look at the ES. I look at the Dow to see what else is going on in the market. It's not a requirement for the strategy by any means. You know, there are when you buy the course and you go through the course, there will be things that you see me do that maybe they're not in the course, because the course is not for fucking. You know, it's try to keep it as streamlined as possible. We don't need to confuse people. You start, you know, if you make it overcomplicated, then new traders get way too confused and they don't even know how to find the YM and the ES. And they're like, well, Patrick said the YM and the E. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. NASDAQ again, testing that 500 level. Patrick, do you use 2 graphic cards? No, only 1. I don't have 6 monitors. I only have 4. In my Florida house. See if NASDAQ's going to try to push through this high here. We got to break out of that 15-minute range finally. Maybe not, though. Patrick, I also see that you don't use Lux Algo. Guys, listen, this is all I want you to do. I want you to not worry about what I do. I want you to worry about what you do. All right? Sometimes I use this. I have multiple charts pulled up. You don't see everything that I'm looking at. I have multiple charts. All right? Just focus on you trading. Don't worry about me. Worry about you. Just because you can't see everything that I'm doing right now, don't mean that I don't have more charts pulled up. All right? There's multiple charts pulled up on my screens. God. Patrick, why do you not do this anymore? Patrick. NASDAQ to the top of the range, stuck there. You gotta love when the market, like, overnight looks like this. Overnight, the market looks like this. You know, like, oh, look how beautiful the market's moving overnight. And then it opens up and does this. Sometimes, man. Patrick, I just put Vertigo Man for my ringtones. That might be a good idea, actually. Vertigo Man on your ringtones, always a good song. Speaking, maybe we need some Vertigo Man to get this market moving, people. I think that's what we need. We got to get some Vertigo Man.
Guys, I think I figured it out. ITT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused and sane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed, and I sat there, and I fucking
Didn't work. Didn't work. So much time. I got a voice of an angel.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell, of course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stuff.
I think that's the funniest part of the whole song. The funniest part of the whole song is when I say literally my girlfriend makes more money than ICT. That's funny. The blue line is the 21 EMA here on the 2-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute candles. How did you move your computer to Hawaii? I bought a boat, and then I put the computer on the boat, and then I drove the boat to Hawaii. Took me a while, but It was worth it. Luckily, I did not sink the boat. So much higher, gonna take me higher. So much higher. She's a pusher. Got to break through this high here. Gonna take me higher. So much higher. Patrick, tell people to get out and vote. Hey, everybody, get out and vote. Make sure you vote for Trump. All right, NASDAQ finally trying to do something here on the 15-minute chart. Oh, Lord. You got to take out this high here. So much higher. Can you take me higher? So much higher. Can you take me higher? NASDAQ up there to the 520s just to pull right back again. LOL. The chop is undefeated. Push, NASDAQ, push. Push, NASDAQ, push. Push, NASDAQ, push. Get through that 520 area there. Next up there, pivot point at the 540s. The ES trying to push up. NASDAQ trying to push up here. Next pivot point right there, that orange line, 540 level. The high so far, 523s. I'm long from the 95s. And pulls back. Let's go. ES just pulled back. Got 5,900 on the ES, holding us down there again. Ugh. Pulling back here once again. NASDAQ going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly here. Back to the fucking 21 again. Both the ES NASDAQ just popped up here just to pull right back. Good Lord. Good Lord. Oh my. The ES is looking a lot weaker than the NASDAQ here. ES has not taken out the overnight high yet. ES is really dragging us down right now. The ES just can't get going. ES is stuck there at the VWAP, stuck at a pivot point. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Let's see what this candle does. Got to get back above that 20,500 area if you're looking for the longs. It's just 15-minute range. Look at this thing. The 15-minute chart right now. Ooh. Would you look at that? Ooh. Ooh. Upside target would be that pivot point up there at the 549s, but right now, I don't know if we're gonna get a move here. Ew. Holding up there at the 21 EMA. ES is trying to push back up. This is kind of that moment where the bulls need to step in, try to push this back up here off this 90 level. If they're going to push it, it's got to be like right here, right now. You bought Market Clubhouse? Yes. I now own marketclubhouse.com. Yeah, buddy. Paid $2,500 to buy marketclubhouse.com. Am I going to hold it ransom? No, I'm going to use it. I'm going to put some nice stuff on there, you know? I'm going to make it a nice trading clubhouse. .com. I don't know. If Rips is such a millionaire, why did he not buy the marketclubhouse.com URL, you know? Like, he's got so much money, but he couldn't afford to buy the URL for his website? That's weird. He's so rich, but can't afford to pay for a website. Huh. NASDAQ just needs to start ripping straight back up here. Squeeze these shorts. This would be the moment. It's got to do it, like right through here. If it's going to do it, it's got to do it. You know, if it's got to go, it's got to go here. Those last couple wicks on the bottom of those candles, will we get the push or just more chop? Try to get through the high of this little candle and then straight up there through the 500s next. ES is trying to push. I can't do it anymore. She's trying to push. I'm gonna try out this long here. Might be a terrible idea, but just kind of giving us a glimmer of hope, but just gonna keep a tight stop. Only 5 contracts. ES just pulled back again. NASDAQ stuck there. If we push through 500s, I'll look to add. But ES is now pulling back again. Position update. Oh my God. There's my position. We're chopped. Chopped. Position update. Chopped. And that's why we only entered with 5 contracts. Small size, tight range. It's all good. If we break through 500, I'll look to get long again. There it goes. Just have my tight, little too much stop there for a moment. Can we push? Market's going nowhere. Just holding here. Your face is red. That means you're red on the day. Yes, that's exactly what it means. Thanks. How will I ever financially recover from this day? How will I? What will I do? How will I ever recover? I'll never be able to recover from this. Ah. Rips is green today. Really? Congratulations to Rips. Very happy for him. I'm also green on the day, but hey, who's counting, you know? I'm not me. Not me. Not me. Definitely not me. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. How can the market do so much but so little all at the same time? Back up to the 90s again. Good Lord. Up to the 500s one more time. One more time. The move. This is exactly what we were looking for earlier. What the fuck, NASDAQ? Why you gotta chop around and do stupid shit and then go through the highs? You know why? Why does it have to do that? NASDAQ just loves to fuck around. Fuck around and find out, NASDAQ. Up through the 500s. Just right back. Bow, 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 bow. Might as well just trade the overnight market. Fucking. The high on that candle right there, 0675. Do we think we're going to fill the gap on the NASDAQ? I don't know. Bitcoin's going up, though. Good thing I've been buying Bitcoin. Good thing. It's funny because I feel like I just have it set up to buy $2,000 worth of Bitcoin every week. And I don't even like look at the price. But it's funny looking at the price, actually. Bitcoin up to 68,400 today. Let's see what my portfolio is up today. My portfolio. Yes, I have a portfolio. What can I say? I'm just that fancy. Ooh. Portfolio's looking good. Nice, and everything's green. Solana, Bitcoin. Ooh. Ooh. We're up 4%. Up, no, 2.3% on the day right now. It's nice. I just don't know what to do. It's just like, what do you do? I don't know. You just fuck it, eh? Trading is such a joke sometimes. Like, it's impossible to make money in this fucking market. Impossible. Maybe it's not impossible, but it seems like it. Pew, 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 pew. I'm trying to, like, you know, be patient and not really think about how bad the market is, but just be like, hey, I'm waiting, you know? I'm just waiting for that right moment. That right moment, baby, when I'm gonna pounce. Pounce! Maybe. Do-do-do-do-do-do. The hot streak continues in these accounts. We got $640 in these 20 accounts. So I don't want to jinx it, but I have been on a bit of a hot streak right now. You know, I don't want to jinx it, but I might be jinxing it right now, just even talking about it. Just even talking about it might be jinxing it. NASDAQ pulling back here again. 70s. Starting to move down a little quicker. Still very much inside that 15-minute range, obviously. Would you look at that? Right back up there to that 21 EMA again. What the fuck? Justin Brown said, just short at the top of the range. Okay. Easy. Easy enough. Famous last words. Just all you got to do to make the money is just short at the top and buy at the bottom. Okay. You so smart. How'd you get so smart? Patrick, if all you did was just buy at 430, sold at 520, shorted at 520, and then covered again, you would be up $1 million today. It's that simple. You just gotta look. There's the bottom of the market, 20,433. There's the high. So all you had to do is buy here, sell here. Yes. It's so easy. It's so simple. I've been doing it wrong for so long. It's so easy. Trevor the Investor, you joined Trader Kane's Discord. Full-blown ICT, bro. Full-blown. He's full-blown. Full-blown. That guy's full-blown. Patrick, what's my view today? Well, kind of just looking at it right now. I don't really, hey, we are putting in higher lows, kind of just sitting here. At a certain point, I think we'll probably break out here at some point, right? In theory, right? In theory, we break out here at some point. Question is just at what point is that? If you fought ICT in MMA, how would you win? I'd kick him right in the vagina. That's what I would do. Oh my God. Someone said, I wish the chop was never invented. Me too, man. I wish there was no one ever invented the word chop, Who made that word up? We need to find that person and we need to tell them to not ever say that word. Don't say chop, whatever you do. Luckily, we were able to make some money here in my PA accounts. We're up $1,100 across the board there, $1,192. So pretty happy with that. I'll take that for now. And then in the Top Step accounts, we've got green, a couple combines in the red, but we're green in the funded accounts, so I'm kind of sticking with that for now. I don't know how much I'm going to push these right now. We had a red day yesterday in those accounts, so just try to get a green day here Friday. How many combines do you blow a day? It just depends on the day, really, you know? Just depends on the day. Just depends on the day. She's pushing, trying to push. ES trying to push back up here. NASDAQ trying to push at that 500 level. Finally getting through 500s again for the first time in a minute. But right back down here again. Have any fun plans for the weekend? We're flying back to Florida. Flying back to Florida tonight. We'll be back to Florida on Saturday morning, doing a red eye from Hawaii to Florida. Back to Florida, man. Oof. I wonder if my McLaren's gonna if it's gonna start. Haven't drove that thing in a minute. Do you fly first class? You know it. Got the lay down seats, baby. We like to party. How can the NASDAQ literally just sit here? I don't get it. Pulling back again to that 21 EMA. Shoots, brada. Ray trades in the house. What's up? What's poppin'? This is criminal right now. Absolutely criminal. What a waste of my life. I'm looking at this chart right now. Absolutely a waste of my fucking life. Do you ever trade crypto? Not really. I just trade, just buy and hold crypto long term. Too much work to trade it. NASDAQ pulling back for the millionth time here, stuck at the highs, I guess you want to call it. ES is kind of flagging over there a little bit. NASDAQ's just doing nothing. Been a lot of these days lately. It's because we're at the all-time highs, you know. We're just the ES, the Dow, everything's all-time highs. Not really like any major news this week, so just kind of a chop fest. Back to that 70 area once again. VWAP. Down there at the 60s. NASDAQ back to the VWAP one more time. Will they take this low out next? Down there at the 440s. Or are they going to just chop it right back up? The ES found some support there at the VWAP. NASDAQ finding some support here at the VWAP. I don't think I'm going to do power hour today. It's Friday. I got to pack up. It's the last day. I was going to do power hour, but not really looking too hot right now. So look at this. We'll see. I don't know. Probably not. I'm going to try to pack up. I got a flight at 3 o'clock. So if I do the power hour, that means I have to trade until like 10. And then I got to pack up everything. And then I got to... Nah, it's too close. I'm not going to power hour. No point. ES is just really holding on to that pivot point. The NASDAQ back up here to that 70 area again. Oh, God. Oh, God. Well, it's almost 11 o'clock here. NASDAQ trying to move through the 15-minute range back to the VWAP right now, but Yo. Sick. Are they huge? Well, they're probably in pieces. Remember how those old ones were? Yeah. East Coast. Perfect. I mean, you know, you want them, or anybody give them to Travis, or I don't know. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just put them in the boat. Yeah. Sick. All right. I'm happy. I'm happy that you got those, so we don't have to deal with that. Sick. All right, cool. Oh, yeah. That a boy, get to work. He saw my story that I was coming home. That's why. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, all good. All right, well, I'm about to fucking go work out and then pack up and go to the airport and fucking get back to Florida, I guess. Like 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Did you talk to Travis about that swordfish tournament? Yeah. Sweet. Awesome. Yeah, maybe they'll change it again. Yeah. All right. Ooh. Nothing I would love more than go swordfishing in 8 to 10 foot seas. That would be so much fun. I think you should. We should definitely do that. Yeah, no, fuck it. That would be cool. In the dark, 8 to 10 seas. Oh, that would really be fun. You wouldn't even know when you got hit with water. You'd just be soaking wet the whole time. Awesome. All right. Well, I will. I guess see you in Florida soon. All right, later. That was my fishing captain giving me a little update on the boat. NASDAQ right back up. It's pretty crazy. This price action. Look at these 2-minute candles. Look at these 2-minute candles right here. Just literally like a box. It's a box. Box candles. Why wouldn't that be a bear flag? I mean, clearly it didn't work out, did it? You got the VWAP there. You got to look at it's the bigger picture here, people. Look at the ES right now. ES is just holding right there at that pivot point. So that pivot point on the ES is kind of just holding the market up here. Like, oh, it's kind of like the bear flag's invalidated when we kind of hold up there at the VWAP. Flags happen after a big push, not inside consolidation. That's a good rule. Maybe to keep that as a rule. Don't trade flags inside of a consolidation like this, especially inside the 15-minute opening range. Flag is a continuation move. Wikipedia over here. Learning so much. All right. If I walk away right now, that the market will go straight up for you guys. So maybe it's a good time for me to walk away. Would you consider this 15-minute range tight? Danny Trades scammed 10 people with his small group mentorship. How much did you pay, Steve? Steve, how much did you pay for Danny Trades group mentorship? $3,500. God. Steve. Come on, man. ES is trying to do something. Nasdaq's trying to do something. It's been trying all morning fucking long. Literally. Literally. B's stop loss. Paid $5,000 at the schools of trade with a guy who claims to be a teacher, not a trader. Damn. I got to bump up my price. I'm not charging enough. I am not charging enough money. $200 is just not enough money. I got to charge way more than this. Way more. NASDAQ back up. I'm gonna go pee pee. Maybe if I go to the bathroom, it'll do something. Crappy Patty.
I changed all my max drawdowns to all my accounts. It's not 1,200.
Yeah.
So I hit my max drawdowns, but I didn't blow up any accounts.
There we go.
I'm trying to manage my risk.
Look at Victoria, such a risk manager. For Apex new payout system upcoming in November, yeah, very simple. It'll be 8 days. Instead of 10 days, it'll be basically you need to trade for 8 days and then you request a payout. So no more pay period. It won't be like the 15th and, you know, like stuff like that. It'll be just straight up 8 days. So once you pass 8 days, the ES breaking out here. NASDAQ kind of holding on. I'm not exactly sure about the flipping and the rules exactly, but I'm sure we'll maybe find out at some point. Some new news. New news. I mean, at some point, the NASDAQ's gonna do something, right? Like it's got to do something at some point. Maybe not. Maybe not. Got some Fed speaking later, I guess. So I don't really think the market is waiting for the Fed to just randomly speak here, but whatever. I apologize for my lack of enthusiasm right now. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. I wake up here in Hawaii at 3 a.m. and I have to torment myself. It's like torture right now watching this fucking price action. Torture. NASDAQ, ES finally breaking through that 5,900 level. Oh, God. Why me? Why is my life like this? Can't wait for Chipotle. First thing I'm going to do in Florida, I get back at like 8 in the morning. I'm going to wait for 11 a.m. I'm going to go right to Chipotle. They're going to be like, holy fuck. They're going to think I died. The people at Chipotle, they like obviously see me every day. So they're going to think I died. They're like, what happened to you? I'll be like, well, it's a long story. But if you have time, I'll tell you the story. Mark, I don't fucking know, bro. Will you stop asking? I'm like, you're literally banned for life because you just asked the same question 20 times. I am not Apex's FAQ. I do not know exactly what the rules are, to be honest. They haven't been exactly clear on them yet, so all I know is what I know. Trapped on an island with no Chipotle. The horse. The horse. Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, little buddy. Oh, you would think that this would be the breakout right here. You would think this is going to break out, but it ain't. It ain't. It's just going to sit here and chop around some more, maybe pull back to the VWAP again. You know, why would it break out? It wouldn't. Why? Why would it go up? There's no way. It's impossible. It's impossible. This is the stupidest market I've ever seen in my life. I've never seen something move so little and go nowhere. So literally, what is it? Almost 2 hours. 2 hours of this. I can't handle this. Imagine if the market moved like this every day. This is what the market used to do. Honestly, back in the day, the NASDAQ would do this all day long. The NASDAQ, the ES barely moved. You know, if you look back 10 years ago, futures, like people really didn't trade futures 10 years ago, at least like the retail, the way that we are now, because the market really didn't move enough. It was very, very, you know, very slow. So someone says, when's it going to dump? Maybe never. I'd say there's a better chance that it goes higher than goes lower, just from the fact of where we're at right now. I might be wrong, but it's not going anywhere, and I'm gonna go to the gym. So big thank you guys for sticking it out with me today. If you're still here, you guys are the MVPs. I do appreciate your support. And well, that's all she wrote. Was all she wrote. Yeah, look at this. If I walk away right now, you know it's going to go up. So I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you. Look at that, breaking through the 20,500 now. Right when I said that. The market knows. The market knows. I'll see you guys next week. We'll be live in Florida. How is this possible right now? Like literally now it's going to start moving. Are you kidding me? Like the moment that I'm about to sign off. The moment that I'm about to walk away, it finally breaks out through the 500s. Lord.
Guys, I think I figured it out.
I'll leave you guys. I'll leave you guys with the hottest song of 2024. 2024. If you haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button.
Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at.
It's
And I
pushing.
sat there and I pushed. And I sat there.
Push.
And I fucking laid pushed. And I sat there.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my gosh. Little cut. Yes.
And I sat there.
Going down hard. Oh my gosh.
What does Victoria think of the music? She loves it.
Little cut. I got this.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys.
Gonna take me higher.
I got this.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell, of course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stuff. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop
The song name is Vertigo Man.
Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Going down hard. Oh my god.
Push.
I sat there.
Push.
Going down hard. Oh my god. Little Vertigo man.
Vertigo Man.
Vertigo.
Vertigo Man. Vertigo Man. Vertigo Man. Vertigo Man. Vertigo Man. Man. Vertigo.
All you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you, and then you make money. Don't be telling people the secret.
Look at that. God, it's the best song ever. Best song ever, man. All right, there it is. I will see you guys later on. I'm over it. I'm going to the gym, and then I'm going to pack up, and then I'm going to go to Florida. So I will see you guys next week. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. And peace to the Middle East, motherfuckers. I'll see you all later.